This black seabird was flying above the sea, trying to snatch a meal to satiate his hunger, when his eyes detected a swimming tern. He swooped at him, trying to hold him in his grasp. But the victim fled to safety. After a brief pursuit, he ended up killed. Using his beak, the petrel pecked his prey, then devoured his intestines. Another petrel succeeded to capture a baby penguin and started devouring him alive. The poor chick kept lying on his side, wriggling of fear and extreme pain. What a sorrowful end. This ruthless petrel was tormenting a newborn baby penguin by putting a hole in his back and started beaking his spinal cord. The desperate chick peeped as a fountain of blood started shooting off his back. He will soon end up dead with no one to save him from being shredded. A large number of penguins were waddling on the shore of the sea, escorted by a bunch of hungry petrels. One of them succeeded to kidnap a chick away from the rest of the waddle and used his beak to gut him to death. The waves carried the prey's corpse away of the giant petrel, but he recovered it and then took it away in his beak. This group of petrels was feasting together on a fat penguin that they managed to hunt. The two-nosed predators started shredding their prey, biting off their flesh and devouring the small pieces of their meal. An unfortunate chick was sentenced to death after being caught by this fierce petrel. Then the predator started swallowing it whole. What a gruesome end. Another group of petrels engaged a wounded penguin that was lying on the beach. They pinned him to the ground and pecked him while he was still alive, devouring his intestines and flesh.